A very good morning. Welcome to our Bird Notes. This is Dwight Davis. There are several sounds of summer that stay in the memory, especially from childhood, it seems. The ringing of the bell of the ice cream man's truck, the splashing and yelling of children at the swimming pool, the crack of the bat at a baseball game. We're talking here of the sound of a wooden bat as it meets the ball, and certainly not the traditionless thunk of an aluminum bat. And then there's this. That's the sound of the red-winged blackbird calling from its perch in the reeds, signaling summer, to me anyway. The red-winged blackbird is one of the most abundant and widespread birds in the country. Indeed, some count it as the most numerous bird in North America. It's a year-round resident in the U.S., familiar to almost everyone. The male is black with red shoulder patches lined with yellow. The female looks like a big sparrow, brown with some striping. In almost any marshy area, you'll find the red-winged blackbird, clinging to the cattail or phragmites stalks, the male singing its somewhat coarse song. The singing actually begins in spring, but continues through the summer. The song is usually accompanied by a display centering on the bird's red epaulets. The male hunches his shoulders forward and erects the red feathers, at the same time spreading his tail. This posture serves to attract females and to warn other males to stay out of the bird's territory. Experiments have shown that males with their shoulder patches blackened often lose their prestige and thus their territories. Whatever the display means to the bird, it's a great show for humans. The glossy blackbird puffs up its feathers, emphasizing a rich red color on the shoulders, festively outlined in yellow. This, along with its gurgling, memorable song, a true sound of summer.